Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning ChatGPT. In this lecture, I will teach you how can write the description of YouTube video with help of ChatGPT. It's help YouTube creations, YouTube video vloggers to write description on their videos. Let's check how can we take help from it and write us description for our YouTube videos. Let's YouTube. How post article on blog. The contact writing as how it's creating the step-by-step contexts for our YouTube video. Let's check it's what have wrote for us. Find blogging platform that you want to use some popular option including WordPress, Blogger, and sign up for account in blogging platform if necessary. Navigate publish dashboard backhand on your blog. New post where come in new post. Add new button which open the page where you can create new blog. Enter title your blog post title in field. Type contact on blog post next editor. You can also add image, videos, and other medias. Also they can provide you option where you can create add image, videos, and other medias in your post by using option providing text editor. Where help of text editor you can add these things. Choose any necessary option, category tags, and help organize your blog. Review your blog before post and it look how want. Check it how it's look like. When you are contact, you first check it how is look like. Anything is missing, you make it and correct at proofreading. Then when you ready to publish your blog, click publish button. Then when you click the publish button, you can publish your context. Now asking keywords for blog. These are the keywords for YouTube video how post article on blog. There are some keywords that could be used for YouTube video about posting an article a blog. Blogging, post blog article, how to, tutorial, WordPress, blogger, dashboard, text editor, categories, tag, publish, and new post. These are few keywords give us that can help us to publish the YouTube video. Any articles you can, any topic, like we want to find some other topic, new topic like AI. asking keywords for fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is branch of AI, so the mostly keywords related to AI, fuzzy logic, AI, machine learning, decision making, fuzzification, defuzzification, fuzzy set, fuzzy rules, fuzzy applications, fuzzy logics, all things related to the fuzzy. They give us keywords which help us about that title which I have write on the articles. Like ask any other topic. I ask some YouTube how make YouTube videos. The keyword must be on this topic: YouTube videos, create, make, upload, film, editing, camera, software, tips, tracks, tutorial, all these things related to the video. YouTube video creates, how make video on YouTube. These keyword must be used on the topic. It's help us to write contexts about and keywords for YouTube videos. Thank you very much watching our videos. If you have any query related this, can ask me. See you in next video lecture.